Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about iPhone carrier unlocking SIMs. Now, these are available for all iPhone models that are locked to a carrier, whether it's T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, any of them. And it's a very easy way to unlock your iPhone if it's currently locked to a carrier. Now, these are only 25 bucks. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If you have an iPhone that is carrier unlocked and you're using Verizon now, say for example, I wanted to use it with T-Mobile or something like that. Well, all I would need is a T-Mobile SIM card and I would be good to go. I could just pop this in, turn it on, and use it with T-Mobile. But say you have an iPhone and it's locked to AT&T and you want to use it with T-Mobile. Well, what you need is an unlocking SIM. The new updated 2025 iPhone carrier. Unlocking SIM cards will carrier unlock any iPhone with a SIM card slot up to a iPhone 13 Pro Max. All you do is pop this into your iPhone and then activate it by turning on your phone and follow the included printed directions and you're good to go. You can use it with that new carrier that you wanted to. So it's a very simple process. Note, these will not work with Samsung phones or any iPhones that use an eSIM only. If you have an iPhone that only uses eSIM, don't worry. We can carrier unlock those also remotely by the IMEI. Just send us a direct message for prices. And again, these are only $25. So if you have an iPhone that's locked to a carrier and you want to use it with another carrier, all you need is one of these unlocked SIM cards. We ship them out quickly. We want you to be able to use your iPhone with the carrier that you want. So if you need to unlock it, that's the quickest and easiest way to do it. Just pop in one of these carrier unlocking SIM cards and you're good to go. Now, once you activate it, you can actually keep that SIM card in there and use it with that new carrier that you unlocked it with. Or if you wanted to, you could put your original SIM card back in there and use it with your old carrier. Either way, the phone is now unlocked and you have the ability to use it with any carrier that you want. There are more details in the description. Thanks for watching.